Whiskey's the life of man.
Whiskey, Johnny.
Oh, whiskey's the life of man.
Whiskey for the Johnny-O.
In the heart of the Caribbean, there's a mysterious place called Nassau, Bahamas. It's famous for stories of brave pirates and hidden treasures. Long ago, it was known as the Pirate Republic, where the boldest buccaneers ruled during the Golden Age of Piracy. In the early 18th century, during the years 1703 to 1718, the Caribbean Sea was a lawless expanse where European powers rivaled for control of lucrative trade routes and territories. Among this chaos emerged a breed of daring adventurers, pirates, who plundered merchant ships and terrorized coastal towns with ruthless efficiency. One of the most infamous ports of piracy was Nassau, located on the island of New Providence in the Bahamas. Originally settled by British colonists, Nassau became a hub for pirates seeking refuge from the authorities. In 1706, Nassau saw a significant influx of pirates, transforming the quiet colonial town into a noisy pirate haven. These pirates established their laws and governance, creating a unique society where they could live free from the constraints of society. Known as the Pirate Republic, Nassau was ruled by a council of pirate captains who enforced their code of conduct known as the Articles of Agreement. Under the leadership of notorious figures such as Blackbeard, Calico Jack, and Anne Bonny, Nassau thrived as a haven for pirates from all corners of the globe. Together, they formed a formidable force that struck fear into the hearts of merchants and navies alike. Nassau represented a disobedience of authority and a rejection of the social order of the time. It was a place where outcasts and rebels could find freedom and opportunity, although at great risk. However, by 1718, the British Empire had grown tired of the rampant piracy plaguing the Caribbean. In a concerted effort to restore order to the region, the Royal Navy launched a series of offensives against the Pirate Republic of Nassau. After a brief but intense battle, the British forces emerged victorious, bringing an end to Nassau's reign as a pirate stronghold. Though the Pirate Republic of Nassau fell to British forces in 1718, its legacy lives on as a testament to the resilience and audacity of those who dared to challenge the status quo. Today, Nassau stands as a reminder of a past era where pirates ruled the seas and legends were born.
Whiskey's the life of man.
Whiskey, Johnny.
Oh, whiskey's the life of man.
Whiskey for the Johnny-O.